Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to create an video wall, or a reveal video wall or a picture wall, wherein in the initial it will be totally a blank screen like this, a black, and from there it reveals the picture, or from there it reveals the video. So let me show an example what I've made. You can just see this is a picture, and just see that the blogs are getting are revealing the image. In the similar way, I've done a reveal option for the video as well, so you can just see. So how we do this? Okay, so what again, so I'm just going to home, just going to insert a blank template. Okay, first thing is your background, so I'm going to insert a background. I'm going to insert a picture, maybe this picture. Okay, now the next thing is insert the box. A box, just my, what is this, just delete this. Okay, take a copy of that, and again a copy, and again a copy. Let us see, it's coming almost full. Yeah, something like this. Okay, so just for outline, just give no outline. Okay, color black. Okay, I'm just going to take a copy of that as well. Maybe this here we can make it slightly different from. Okay, again I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to use this over here. Okay, so now what we have to do, the important part is from here. What you have to do is just go to animation. Okay, just give the fade effect. Okay, select the animation pane. This should be with previous. Okay, now the second one, again fade effect. Okay, but here there is a slight also with previous, but the delay just give us 10. Okay, now going to the third one, again fade effect. Okay, with previous 20, but not this 20. Okay, it's 20. Yeah. Okay, like this you have to do for all this one. So I'm going to make it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, just I'm going to give the fade effect. Okay, and again this is with previous. Now this is 20. Now this, I'm going to make it 30. Just make it 40. Just make it 50. Just make it 60. 70 and 80. Okay, so let us just try a sample. See, now if this is too fast for you, just increase the duration so it will come slow. See, it will come like a cubicle for you. So this is how you can reveal your image. So if you have some slides where you want to reveal something, you can do something like this. This would be a better option. So this is what I've done is revealing the picture. Now let us go and do it for the video. So again what I'm going to do is that I'm going to insert, go to home, insert a blank slide. I'm going to insert video video from my PC. See, this is the one which I've used. Okay, so format always automatically, so you want to start it at beginning. So I'm going to use this same boxes over here. I'm going to just copy it over here, so it has the animation as well. So maybe I'm just going to put it. I'm just going to just a cutting effect as well. Just I'm going to insert it with the other background. Now let us just play and see. This is too fast, so let us go to the animation pane. Okay, let us make it a little bit more time. So this is what happened when I copied. It didn't come properly, and it was too fast as well. So I'm going to increase it maybe around 2.5 seconds, and it's too slow as well. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to delete all this, and I'm going to just make it from here. Okay, so again the making part from here like this, something something like this. Okay, and something like this. Yes, this will do. Okay, you can make even smaller cubicles as well. It will look much better. So for the time being, I'm using a much larger background for you to understand. So I'm just copying this one, and I'm just going to copy. So this, I'm going to make it slightly bigger so it get covered. So this one okay. So from here says about the video playback is automatic. Yes, it's fine. Okay, let's begin. Animations, go to fade. Okay, this is fine with previous. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Okay, just give the fade options. So all with previous. Okay, 10, 20, 30, this is 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to give a much larger one. Now you can see the reveal. Just going to play it again. I'm going to make a bit smooth. See, you can see that it's revealing slowly. Now, see, now this is based on the delay. So if you make it 25, if you make it like this, then the delay will be much slower. Now this is because I just it's like this. Yeah, see how it appeared. It's a bit fast, and you have to play around with the delay time, because it's from here. You can start from making this 30, 50, 70, 90, 110, 120 like that, so that the transition will be much slower. So hope you like this video as well. This is revealing the picture and revealing the video. So if you have any comments on this, please let me know. If you have any doubts on this, please let me know, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye.